Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Zara. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zara.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zara website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials if you haven't logged into your account already. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your profile page, from which if you wish to delete your account, click on the profile icon at the right side, and now you will see the delete your account button at the bottom. Just click on this option and then confirm that you wish to delete your account by clicking on the continue button. You will be asked to enter your password in order to confirm your identity. You may also be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you used while signing up. After providing these verifications and continuing forward with deleting your account, you will be logged out from your Zara account right away. And once you have been logged out, just don't log back in for another month and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Zara. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.